Daniel at the Assessment Toolbox here. Let's look at viewing responses to your Google form. Now you open it up and it comes on the questions tab here where you can edit the questions. To view responses, we click here. You can see I've got 10 responses to this Google form, and we've got 3 ways we can look at the data. Summary, by individual question, one question at a time, or by person's response right there. And so, summary gives us some amazing graphs. This is an overall of how many points, shows the range and the average and median of the scores. And I love this, frequently missed questions. It gives some awesome data. We always think about this data. How can I use this to improve my instruction, to inform my grouping, and make my class more effective? So this is a clue to me that, wow, this would be a whole class review if only 4 out of 10 got who was the first president, and I need to look at that some more. Let's take a look down here. This is just the question view, the summary of each question, so you can get a great view right there. If you need an overall video on how to grade the short answer sections of your quiz, you can watch that full video here and how to grade that. Let's look at the question tab now. This is by individual question. And so here was the question so many people missed. Who was the first president? And you can go just see how many people chose which of those responses. And I can see that there were equal amounts that chose both of those. So I would need to address that. Lastly, by individual, so this is one student at a time. You can click through to view who was responding to each of those and find the data that way. And so those are the 3 ways that you can view responses. If this was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up so other people can find it as well. And if you want more trainings on Google Forms, 2 minutes at a time, subscribe to the channel.